Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. So I like to use Microsoft Copilot when it comes to local SEO, keyword research, and also analysis for my clients. So you go to bing.com, you can click on just the Copilot tab at the very top. That's going to load any previous conversation you have. I have already two tabs open, so this is already preloaded. I'm going to walk you through this. So to start is come up with different keywords that stem from furnace repair. So I pay for SEMrush, but there's plenty of other tools out there that do very similar work like Ahrefs. I'm sure Moz has something as well. But if you have a strict budget and you can't really afford to pay for additional tools, Copilot is a great feature. So you can actually ask, say, come up with additional keywords. So they have furnace repair, then replacement, installation, maintenance, emergency furnace repair. This is actually really important. You can do a follow up as well. You can say, come up with 10 more core service keywords. And now it's actually going to now recycle that thought process, come up with additional keywords now that stem off that main core section that I just mentioned before. So this is actually really important. So when you're talking with your clients or as your own business owner, you might look at this and say, okay, furnace tune-up, that's actually really important because a tune-up could be someone comes over, reviews your furnace, and they actually might then push you towards a replacement if let's say there's water damage or there's some other problem with your furnace. So this initial tune-up call can actually be worth quite a bit more. So these are actually some really core terms to go after. The second thing, though, that I like to use within Copilot is helping me understand heat maps. So what I like to do is right here's this message Copilot. You can actually click on the plus button and you can upload Local Falcon heat map scans directly into the analysis. And what I do from here is I ask Copilot basically review this and then come up with the specific towns and cities that are yellow dots, because then I actually really want to focus on them. Then you can see over here, if I scroll down, I asked them to basically now list off in order, roughly by population size, the cities and towns that I really need to focus on. So, for example, Riverton has 47,000 population, whereas South Jordan or Sandy has basically double that. That's actually really important because, again, when we're thinking about flipping dots that are for local SEO, so if we look at the heat map at the very top over here, if we look at how this heat map is, if you flip one dot that has, let's say, 20,000 people there compared to a dot that has almost 100,000, the 100,000 dot is going to be worth 5x more basically compared to that other dot of, the opportunity to get more impressions, more website clicks, more phone calls, and more leads for your business. Now, of course, you can do even more here. You can drill down into different, zip codes. You can do you can actually even say, hey, can I expand my radius from what I currently have and look for additional towns and cities that I can really focus on to get more leads for my business. But in a really high level summary, I really like to use Copilot just to get some quick ideas for my clients. And I can present that to them when we do our monthly report or a regular check-in. Say, hey, I'm thinking about this. Does this make sense for your business? And if it does, then I can run the heat map scans within Local Falcon, get the baseline metric, and then use Copilot as well to help really analyze how my clients are doing currently with their keywords and what we can potentially do next. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope this maybe sparks some ideas of what you guys can do next for your business. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, have a good rest of your day.